It's Accountech Bytes, bringing you the latest from the world of accounting technology with me, Tom Herbert. Recording a day earlier than usual due to scheduling reasons, but there is plenty of news to get our teeth into this week, including Dext does docs with new Vault feature. Xero gets working on its working papers partnership with BGL, and Intuit continues its product push with the acquisition of HR platform GoCo. Let's get started, shall we? Off then with automation solution Dext, which has announced its document storage solution Vault for accountants, bookkeepers, and small businesses. So, according to this press release, Vault gives users a dedicated space within Dext to store and share essential business documents. According to the Dext site, Vault will be free to small businesses until September this year. No specific pricing details after that, but the site says there will be a priced tier and a free tier as well. And while we're on the subject of Dext, the vendor has expanded the supported file types for supplier statements. So, in addition to PDFs, you can now upload JPEGs and PNG files. Let's cross over into the world of AI bookkeeping and automation now. Ring that gong. And Briefcase has now announced that it is a multi-product company building on their AI bookkeeping tool. Co-founder Ruben Steenkamp has announced that it has launched prepayment automation. How does that work? Briefcase detects prepayments from invoices and receipts uploaded to the platform, identifies the period and the amount, creates a schedule of the journal entries that need to be made every month to adjust for it, and you can publish the schedule, and Briefcase will post the journal entries into Xero. Limitations apply. QuickBooks Online coming very soon, and here's Ruben with a more detailed video on the new function. Now, business intelligence tool Tugger has released a dedicated reporting portal designed to consolidate multiple data sources and streamline complex reporting processes for accountants. So initially, Tugger was created as a data warehouse, a kind of midpoint at which data would flow in from your accounting software or CRM, and then you'd need a tool like Microsoft Power BI or Tableau to report on it. But Tugger's new reporting portal allows accountants to take that data and report from the vendor's own system in a bespoke and branded way. What's next? And you can now connect Free Agent to Stripe, so Free Agent customers can take online payments from their customers. Here's an article that explains how. What's next? And let's get in a couple of plugs. And Accounting Web's very own Accounting Excellence Awards are still open. Look, here's Bishop Fleming. They look very pleased to be winning an award. And that could be you this year. So visit accountingexcellence.co.uk, check out the categories, and get your entries in. Podcast next, and I joined Richard Hattersley and Matthew Ward on our No Accounting for Taste pod to talk about the most recent developments around making tax digital, the rise of agentic AI, and EY's audit sanctions. You can listen on this page or by searching for Accounting Web wherever you get your pods. Let's get into some news now, and Kiwi Cloud Accounting Pushers Xero has announced a workpapers partnership with Australian compliance specialists BGL. What does that mean for practices? Well, according to Xero's website, it means a new and reimagined workpapers solution driven by BGL. Accountants will then have this working paper solution available in their practice where they can approve, make adjustments, or collect information ready for filing or reporting. Next up, let's head over to Mountain View and Intuit, parent company for QuickBooks, TurboTax, and MailChimp, and they've continued their product expansion with an agreement to buy GoCo, a leading provider of modern HR and benefits solutions for small businesses, it says here. Speaking of QuickBooks, their work tab in QuickBooks Online Accountant has had what QuickBooks trainer Aaron Patrick calls a glow up. What does that mean? Well, you'll have to watch the video. Crossing back across the Atlantic, and European accounting software giant Visma has acquired Accountable. There's an app that provides self-employed folks with bookkeeping, invoicing, banking, and taxes, and serves more than 26,000 customers across Belgium and Germany. Next up, and expense travel and corporate card app Expensify has announced a major update to its Collect pricing plan. So this is a flat fee of $5 or £5 per member per month in a bid to boost adoption by small businesses. So for that, you get access to the full suite of Expensify features, including expense tracking, corporate cards, travel booking, and team chat. And a first feature for Utah tech news site TechBuzz, which reports that American practice management tool Canopy has raised $70 million in Series C funding. So, Canopy, I think, is North American based and offers a practice management platform for almost 4,500 accounting firms. Next up, and Tech Brew takes a look at Microsoft slash LinkedIn's Future of Work report, which envisions every office employee as an AI agent supervisor. As they put it, in the companies of the future, everyone may be a boss of sorts. So, an organization chart which sees each human employee overseeing a team of AI agents. What could possibly go wrong if those AI agents aren't properly supervised? Well, global tech site Rest of World reports that due to minor errors, grammatical mistakes, or spelling issues, Brazil's AI powered social security app is wrongly rejecting claims, which is hurting the most vulnerable of Brazilians. And sticking with South America, I had a lovely time dissecting Uruguay's proposals to roll out live VAT rate adjustments based on wealth. They may be progressive, but are they fair? And that's your lot for today. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you find this useful, please like, follow, or subscribe. And you can find more of my work on accountingweb.co.uk. See you next week. Bye for now.